Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can set your camera to either high efficiency or most compatible on your iPhone. So to do that, you're actually going to open up settings. You're not going to open up the camera app, and you are just going to scroll down until you can find the camera setting. So it's on this section, but if you cannot find it, you're just going to search camera up here. Like so. You can just open up camera here, and to change it you are going to select formats. It will describe each purpose. So high efficiency is to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in the high efficiency format. Most compatible will always use JPEG, but 4K at 60 frames per second and 180p at 240 FPS require high efficiency. So I have mine at high efficiency just to reduce file size, but if you want to make it a higher, more HD, you can use most compatible. Just select the one that you want and it will automatically save. You don't have to go around finding the save button. You can just select whichever one you want for your camera. It works for every phone. I don't have an X, but I know it says in the iPhone 16, but it's pretty much the same thing for your iPhone. And yeah, that is how you can switch between high efficiency and most compatible on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you found that this video didn't really help you, you can put in the comment section down below your issues with changing between high efficiency and most compatible. Is my mic on actually? Oh yeah, it is, sorry. Just checking. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.